In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the Zoom website to find the right subscription plan for your needs. Now, Zoom has become an essential tool for video communication, whether you're working remotely, teaching, or just connecting with friends and family. Understanding how to choose the best plan can make all the difference in enhancing your Zoom experience. So, let's get started. First, you'll want to open up your Chrome browser and head over to the Zoom pricing page by visiting zoom.us/pricing. Once you're there, you'll see a range of plans available, each tailored to different needs. Let's break them down so you can figure out which one fits you best. Let's start with the free plan, often referred to as basic. This is a great option if your needs are minimal, allowing you to host meetings of up to 40 minutes for group calls. It's a good way to get familiar with Zoom without any financial commitment, but do note the time limitation for groups. Moving on, if you're a freelancer or you manage a small team, the Pro plan might be a more suitable choice. It allows for longer meeting durations and includes the ability to record meetings. This plan tends to be quite popular because it balances functionality with cost. For those of you managing a growing team and looking for more advanced features, the Business or Business Plus plans could be the next best thing. They cater to organizations that need more control and features, like branding and detailed meeting reports. Finally, the Enterprise plan is designed for larger organizations that require advanced capabilities and a higher level of support. If you're part of a big company needing seamless communication across departments, this might be your go-to. Here's a smart tip for you. If you only need the ability to host longer meetings and want to record them, sticking with the Pro plan is often sufficient. Avoid the temptation to pay for features you won't actually use. Once you've decided on the type of plan that suits you, consider whether you want a monthly or an annual subscription. Monthly subscriptions offer flexibility, allowing you to cancel anytime without commitment. On the other hand, annual subscriptions can save you money in the long run. If you find yourself testing the waters of remote work, starting with a monthly plan makes the most sense, and you can always switch to an annual plan later for savings if it becomes more permanent. After deciding on your plan and subscription type, the next step is to make your purchase. Simply click the Buy Now button next to your chosen plan, then create or log in to your Zoom account. You'll be prompted to enter your billing details, whether that's through credit, debit, or PayPal, and confirm your purchase. Finally, to get the most out of your Zoom experience, you'll want to optimize your setup for remote work. Start by enabling cloud recordings. This makes it easy to share important meetings with colleagues or clients. Make use of team management features to add members under a single subscription and enhance productivity by connecting Zoom with tools you may already use like Google Calendar, Slack, or Trello. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to selecting and purchasing a Zoom plan that fits your needs, along with some optimization tips to enhance your remote work experience. Thanks for watching, and happy Zooming!